So I've been making them with a longer neck to drop a little bit further down, and I've been using this pair of pliers, and I marked it for this. But I think what I'm going to do is, I've had a request for a bunch of these in this length, so I've marked a different pair of pliers. I'm going to show you a shortcut of how I can do it without having to switch back and forth as many times. So I've marked these round nose pliers here, and what I'm going to do is I've put in the bead, and instead of switching to another pair of pliers, these are actually quite a bit thinner, so I had to measure. I'm going to just go backwards like this. So I make a kink, and then I move to the tip to wire wrap so that it's like this, and then pivot my pliers. So I'm grabbing the end and I do this. So basically the result is this in one fell swoop. So I'm slowing it down to show you like this. And I'm going to pry it open a little bit, put the jump ring in, and under these circumstances I will use the flat pair of pliers like this, and then wrap around so that it's it goes around, and it's much easier for me to use the other pair of pliers, and I just go do that. Sometimes you stress the metal a lot, it'll break, but now you have it around like such. You trim, and now you notice that this neck, this drop is a fair amount shorter than the other one, like such. And so in using and marking your pliers at different, so this seems like must be even shorter but in fact this is a lot wider than this tip. So mind how thick the plier tip is and mark accordingly. Do a test trial first.